What makes the Mediterranean diet so healthy? What if one of the healthiest diets in the world was also one of the most delicious? That's the Mediterranean diet. And today we're diving into what makes it so powerful and why it has stood the test of time. The Mediterranean diet isn't a strict meal plan. It's a lifestyle inspired by the traditional eating habits of countries like Italy, Greece, and Spain. It's based on simple, real foods: olive oil, vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, nuts, fish, and yes, even a little wine. Multiple studies link this diet to lower risk of heart disease, diabetes, and even Alzheimer's. It's rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, supporting both body and brain. But it's not just what you eat, it's how you eat. Meals are shared. Cooking is valued. Eating is slow, social, and joyful. This lifestyle approach reduces stress, improves digestion, and supports emotional well-being. As someone who grew up with Italian food, I can tell you, it's not about perfection. It's about balance, variety, and a deep respect for ingredients. So next time you cook, ask yourself, is it fresh? Is it real? Is it shared? Because the Mediterranean diet isn't just healthy, it's a beautiful example of how food and culture can come together to nourish both body and soul.